Well guys, today is a very special day. A few months ago, Lionel opened a brand new retail store in Opry Mills Mall here in Nashville, which is not far from where I live. So me and my friend Nick are gonna go check it out for the first time and see what exactly is going on here. So let's go grab Nick, then head to the store.
All right, boys, Swifties, Mavericks, we are on our way to Opry Mills Mall to visit the Lionel store and play with toy trains. What do you have to say?
Let's go, boys. This is gonna be good.
Let's go. We've arrived.
Nick, what are we hoping to see in the store today?
Probably a train or something.
A train or so. Trainer, a few maybe? All right, gang. We've been here for about 30 minutes now.
Yes, sir.
This is amazing. So it is all retail stuff. There's nothing used. Everything's Lionel. But I mean, this is honestly how we're gonna get more people into trains, is with big stores like this. So here's some clips.
Like, you know, there's literally will not run without track.
We've got a big three
No, they didn't.
So I am completely impressed with what Lionel has done with this space in Opry Mills Mall here in Nashville. I mean, we've all been to that train store that smells kind of like pee and is disorganized and really isn't enjoyable to be in at all. This is a clean store with a lot of great products, and it's in a high traffic area in Opry Mills. Although there's no used stock and everything is MSRP retail price, you are getting stuff straight from Lionel, and there are some super nice and super knowledgeable employees at the store as well. One thing I do wish they had more of was more realistic trains. I saw a lot of themed sets, which I'm not really huge on. A lot of stuff that I feel like kind of is a one-trick pony, if you will. But that being said, amazing store. If you're in the area, go check it out. And also, check out my store, Cadence's Rail Yard. We're about 35 minutes from Opry Mills. And I sell trains as well. So if you're in the area, check out both these stores. I would love to see you at mine. And thank you so much for watching.